Guys, I'm with my friends and tatanungin ko sila based on their age kung ano na yung mga learning nila in life that they treasure na ano nila, the feeling nila, greatest learning nila so far. Simulan ko sa aking one good friend, si Joanne Clarice. Ilang taon ka na ulit, Jo?
Hi, I'm Joanne Clarice. Makakasama ko sa Thailand.
Hindi, iba na, wala na tayo sa Riddle. Ang
iba.
question is, what's your greatest learning so far? At age, ilang taon ka na ulit?
I'm 34.
At age 34, ano na ba ang pwede mong i-share sa mga friends natin dyan that you learned already?
30s is not the time to hustle for me. There is still time to be in the moment. Kasi as a mother of two, I'm going against the pace of the hustle culture by slowing down and being in the moment and trusting that I will have my time when they have their own time with other people too. But for now, habang ako ang best friend nila, I will take my time and be in the moment and see this as the most precious gift that I have in my 30s.
Grabe naman yun, and I thank you.
And I'm going to Thailand. Thank you.
For a 34-year-old, also coming from a mom, so maraming salamat. Grabe yun. Parang gusto ko tuloy magka-baby. Charis, para may baby na ako. Ay, charot. Next. Another good friend of mine, mentor ko rin to. Share sa atin, makinig kayo Maganda to. Okay, game. Pakilala mo muna yung sarili mo tapos kung ilang taon ka na.
Hi everyone, Maya 34. Ang hirap pala banggitin ng age dito. Siguro greatest learning in life is choose your hard. No, yun yung quote kasi na talagang tumatak sa akin in the stage of my life right now. Dieting is hard, but so is being overweight. Working is hard, but so is being having no money. Yun. So, in life, pipili ka lang ng heart mo. So, you just need to choose and pick what you want to pursue. Thank
Love
you.
it. Thank you so much. Choose your heart. Piliin natin yan. Meron pa ako isa kasi uwi na sila So, unahin ko muna sila. What about you, Ram? Pakilala ka tapos yung age mo na din.
Hello, Ram de la Cruz here.
Ay, parang ilaw. Ayan.
Ayan,
Yan o,
24.
gandang lighting o.
Siguro, coming from a catch-up ng kaming magkakaibigan just tonight, greatest learning ko is stay grounded, catch up with people na talagang same kayo ng values, ganyan. Kasi most of the time, mawawala ka talaga, hindi mo alam gagawin mo sa life mo, pero when you meet people, when you catch up with your friends na same kayo ng values, mareremind ka kung ano dapat ang gawin sa buhay. Yun lang.
Love it! Oo, kasi nag-catch up kami today. Maraming salamat, Ram. Ang pogi, Ayan. Ulitin ko, siya nga pala yung husband ni... Hindi siya. Hindi rin siya. Ayan! Nawala yung recording. Okay, mamaya na yung tatlo ko pang friends. Ayan sila. Ayan silang lahat to. Kasi may iwan ka. Learning from different ages. Kasi nasa 30 plus, lalo na sa mga trentahin. I'm sure maraming makaka-relate sa mga trentahin. Maraming makaka-relate sa mga trentahin tsaka sa mga magko-40 na, ayan. Ako pala yon, kasama ako doon, magko-40 na. Hi! Okay, so ito na nga, pauwi na kami. Siyempre bago kayo umuwi, tapusin ko muna tong content na to para lahat kami ay may entry today. Simulan natin tong greatest learning with one of my closest friend din, si Julius. Julius, ilang taon ka na nga ulit? Ay, oo.
Hindi ako prepared.
Hindi mo naman kailangan mag-prepare, kaya mo to. Ju, ilang taon ka na?
I'm 36 years old.
36, batang-bata. Same question kila Jo, kila Maya, tsaka kila Ram. What has been your greatest learning in your 36 years of experience?
Greatest learning in my 36, ako I would say boundary. No, kasi I realized, especially in the most recent years of my life, no, pagka lagi ka nagsasabi na yung pagiging yes man pala, it doesn't add value to yourself. No? I realized na while I'm always available, nawawala yung respect ko sa sarili ko, and I'm teaching others na ganun din, mawala yung respect nila sa akin. So, ayun, I'm setting boundary now, and yung boundary naman, it doesn't lessen yung love na binibigay mo sa mga tao mo if you set boundary. So, yun lang.
Boundaries. Ano nga ang tawag? May ganong quote, di ba? Love has, ano nga yun? Something boundary.
Love knows no boundary. Parang hindi
Yun,
naman.
hindi ba yun? Pero iba pala ibig sabihin nun. Akit muna tayo sa stairs. Doon tayo sa may ano. Triangle. Yan. Setting boundaries. Agree. Ayan. Kailangan may boundaries para, people will know how.
Para makaulit ka sa operator.
Oh, iba yun.
Hindi ka nagbayad ng boundary.
Iba yun.
Ay, iba ba yun?
Ibang boundary.
Iba pala
Pang ano yun, pag kami mga dinadrive ko ang sasakyan, ibang boundary. Itong boundary na sinasabi ni Julius to make sure that respect will always be there. Yan. Yan yung, nag-stairs tayo, so paano tayo magkakontent ng hinihingal? Okay, ito na nga, isa ko pang mentor to eh. Ito ang mother. Hindi mother. not mentor daw, pero the mentor. Hindi, pwede na rin. Pero mas mentor to, mas mentor. Kesa the mentor. Okay. Si Jerome.
Hello!
Ay, wow.
Would you be kind enough?
Hindi. Same question. Papakilala ka tapos yung kung ilan taon. Hiningal ako. Ilan stairs? Okay.
Hello, I'm Jerome. 30s.
Ang totoo na para mas
Oo,
aware
totoo
sila.
naman, 30 pa ako.
Sama sa bagay.
Line of 30s.
So, same question.
Okay.
In your 30s plus years of experience and existence, ano ba, maganda to kasi coming from a mentor na hinihingal kasi nag-stairs din. What has been your greatest learning that you can share sa ating mga followers?
Yes. Siguro for me, as a very positive person, always expect for the best but prepare for the worst. Bakit? Kasi at the height of my career, parang ang wish ko sana before sana may kumausap sa akin na I'm happy for you at the height of your career, but how are you preparing for the worst? Kasi parang a very positive person, hindi ko na iniisip yung what can a rainy day look like. So yun, and having experienced rainy days in my life, especially for the past 3 to 4 years, I live by it na always prepare for the worst. Not naman you're attracting the worst, but rather just managing the risk, because risk is there. Hopefully hindi siya mangyari, but just in case mangyari, you will not be distracted. You will be still confident. Yun, so again, expect for the best but prepare for the worst.
Love it! Expect for the best and prepare for the worst. Maraming salamat, Jerome. Ayan, from a 30 plus years old. Kasi magko-40 na siya ngayong May.
In how many,
In how many days?
How many days?
Mga in 2 weeks.
Ikaw mo years
In 2 weeks po siya ay magiging 40 na. Actually ako din eh. I'm turning 39 this May and 40 next year na. Oh my gosh. Well, life starts at 40 daw. We will see. Okay, next. Bago ako na yung pinakahuli. From my baby, from my langga naman. Ano ang iyong share what's your name and then yung age mo din. Tapos what is it that you can share that you feel like pwede mong i-share sa mga followers natin na natutunan mo for the past how many years?
Ayan, my name is Dion and I'm... Pakita ka
Dito tayo. Ay, di tayo sa ano.
Hindi tayo live sa Ayan.
Yan, okay po sir.
I'm Dion and I'm 32. Tapos, one of the things I've learned in life is where focus goes, energy flows. Kasi sa buhay natin, dami natin pwedeng pagkabalahan, and kung saan naka-focus yung attention natin, dun din napupunta kasi yung energy. So for example, I want to focus my energy on fitness, diba? So dun din talaga pupunta yung focus ko, and the lack also of focus would also mean the lack of energy towards it. So yun ang na-realize ko na we have to be careful about ano yung pinagbibigyan natin ng oras, ng attention, ng energy, kasi yun dun madedirect yung life natin. Yeah.
Wow! Ganda nun, no? It's like attracting the energy, no? Attracting the life that you want to build, that you want to start. Ayan, maraming salamat. So, average, no? Parang mga nasa 30 plus kami yung age bracket. So, baka marami dyan mga trend tayo na makarelate for everything that they shared in this content. Siguro ako, ang entry ko naman for something that I really learned I have been a people pleaser for a long time. Yung tipong I would always consider, I mean, walang masama doon to really consider yung mafe-feel or yung iisipin ng mga tao sa paligid mo. I mean, kagaya nito, I'm doing this content. I think it's my first time to do this kind of content in public. Ang daming tao dyan. But you know, before hindi ko to magawa kasi I feel like people will judge me, people will look at me. Pero kasi kung titingnan mo, lahat sila busy dyan. Lahat sila may kanya-kanyang ginagawa. They are all also thinking of other things that they won't pay attention to me. Maybe something that I learned in life is to start doing what you love to do. If there's something that you'd like to grow from yourself, for example ako, yung gantong content creation outside in public, this will never happen, this will never grow sa akin if I won't start doing this. Neglecting maybe what people may be thinking right now, seeing me talking in this microphone, speaking in this microphone, but really more focusing on how can I grow from doing this, from talking in this microphone outside in public in Ayala Triangle. Now it's really more about doing what you love, doing what can help you grow. Is this something that your 8-year-old self will thank you? If it's a yes, then don't let anyone stop you from doing it. Yan lang, maraming salamat. Happy 20.
Hindi ko pa na baba.